wish come true. Mom and Dad were shocked that the colt was not where they had left him. They checked the yard and the shed. They even called the man who had sold them the colt to see if it had gone there. The man went out and checked the stalls, but the colt was not in there. Beth called the cops to tell them that the colt was missing. The cops felt that it was one of the oddest calls they got. They told Beth that no one had seen a small colt. Beth begged them to find the colt. The cops said they would do their best. Beth felt sad. She had wished for a colt. Most wishes do not come true, but this one had. It is sad to have a wish come true and then bolt. She had a pet colt, but had not even met it yet. Beth hung her chin and began to sob. Then she felt something cold and wet on her neck. She sat up, and there was her colt. She hugged him, and he licked her hands. "Mom and Dad," she yelled, "my colt has come back!"